My name is Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove rust using items and materials that you can find around your house. This ladle has got a little bit of rust in it, as you can see, and you want to make a paste using 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar, next you want, let's see, a 1/4 cup, this is a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and you want to add hydrogen peroxide until it's pasty. Just add a little bit. After you add the peroxide and mix it until it's a paste, use anything that's good for scouring, like a sponge, and just work it in. After you scrub it in there really well, you want to let it sit for about 30 minutes so the mixture can do its job. After you let it sit for about 30 minutes, you want to get just a rag get it wet and use this to wipe off the paste. And that will remove rust from just about anything. My name is Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove rust using household items.